we detected an unusual trade worth $36 million on Las Vegas Sands stock, ticker symbol LVS. But here's what makes it even more interesting. This trade is being placed by the same wealthy investor we've been tracking since the stock bottomed in April. So if you think timing the bottom is impossible, think again. This trade is proof that smart investors can successfully time the market. That's exactly why we follow their trades. And so, in this video, we'll break down this unusual options activity to find out, is this same wealthy investor still bullish and buying, expecting the stock to move higher? Or are they now bearish and selling, expecting the stock to move lower? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, to make smarter, better financial decisions. This is how smart money always stays one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so, to level the playing field, let's dive into our analysis to gain insights from the rich so that our subscribers and members can profit from this deep knowledge too. Now, if you are in our membership, you know that we already entered this trade when we first detected an unusual trade on Las Vegas Sands stock, back on this day, April 8th, at the 52-week low, which we now know is the stock's bottom. Keep in mind, on that day, the stock was crashing lower, many people were panicking and selling out of fear, but we followed the data, not our emotions. That's what allowed us to stay calm, trade with confidence, and make better, smarter decisions, just like the smart money. And it clearly paid off, because ever since then, the stock has climbed up by about 70%. So, how did we know to buy at the stock's bottom before this strong reversal? Well, we were tracking a smart, wealthy investor who took a long bullish trade while most people were bearish and selling. As you can see here, this was the email we sent to members, alerting them of unusual option activity detected on April 8th. And so we analyzed Las Vegas Sands stock, LVS, and went long bullish when the stock was trading at $32.59 per share. Now it's trading at $50.79 per share. So it's already a profitable trade because we got in early. And so if you want to start getting access to these trade alerts, including real-time updates, detailed analysis, and earlier entries, sign up on our website. We'll put a link up here. You'll get direct access to the trades of wealthy investors and potential insiders, so you can see what the smart money is doing before the trade becomes highly profitable. Now, speaking of profitable trades, what is this wealthy investor doing with this trade now, and how much has it made so far? Because knowing how much profit was made is what allows us to update our trade into a no-loss strategy with no capital at risk. So let's break down our trade, the same trade made by this wealthy investor, these September 19th options at the 35 strike calls. This investor initially bought a total of 31,000 contracts. But according to new data, this investor is doing something very interesting with their trade now. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, on July 24th at 10:37 a.m. at the 51-second mark, these same options that expire September 19th at the 35 strike calls were being traded again. Over 30,000 contracts for a price of 15.15. Since options prices are shown here, and each option contract controls 100 shares of stock, to get the dollar value, we multiply by 100, or simply move the decimal 2 places to the right. That means each options contract here is priced at $1,515 now. And originally, these same options were only going for a price of $350 each when we entered this trade back on April 8th. That's why our trade is very profitable. And so, to calculate the profit, we take the current price of $1,515, subtract the original cost of $350 to get the net profit, which equals $1,165 per contract. And to calculate the profit percentage, we divide this net profit by the initial cost of $350 and then multiply by 100 to express it as a percentage, and that gives us a return of 332% profit. In other words, we tripled our original investment on this trade. And so, this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where smart money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have better access to information, sometimes even leaked insider information that help them make smarter financial decisions. It's no secret that the rich get richer when they trade based on deeper insights. And so, if you want to get access to more of these insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all trades by wealthy investors are winners. Some end up as losses. That's why we do not follow just any wealthy investor. We track the smart ones who are highly strategic. Because based on the latest data, this wealthy investor wasn't just making a new trade, they used a risk management option strategy that we often use ourselves to minimize losses while maximizing profits. So let's go over how we updated this trade into a strategy that increases our upside potential while still keeping risk under control. And so, after analyzing these new trades, we discovered that this smart, wealthy investor was closing their previous position in these September 19th options at the 35 strike calls to lock in profits and then rolling those gains into new options with a later expiration date and a higher strike price. And notice how all of these trades were executed at the exact same time, a clear sign that this was the same investor carrying out a coordinated strategy. So these January 16th options at the 45 strike calls are the new open trades. And so we can calculate the cost of this new trade by multiplying the total number of contracts by the options price per contract. So let's add up these same options. We have 35,700 contracts plus 9,300 contracts, which equals a total of 45,000 contracts. And so we multiply this total by the price of 8.20, or in dollar terms, $820, by simply moving the decimal 2 places to the right. So this equals a total trade value of approximately $36 million for this new trade. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high probability of success. In fact, this one carries more risk than the smaller, more selective trades we share on our website. And so, if you want to get access to the lower risk trades with a higher probability of profit, then consider joining our membership. Keep in mind that our members also get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share it with the public. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, sign up on our website. The link is in the description. Now, after finding out that this wealthy investor was updating their trade, we also targeted these new options for our risk management strategy by rolling into them from our previous position. As you can see here on the option chain, for the September 19th options, we also closed our previous position at the 35 strike call options by selling them to lock in profits and rolled the gains into the new options trade with a later expiration date and a higher strike price. And so, for the January 16th options at the 45 strike calls, you can see our new position here, marked here as POS, which stands for our position. The green color indicates a buy position. And notice how there are now 46,000 contracts opened at this position, showing strong interest in these options. So that is why we used our gains from our previous position to buy these 45 strike call options. And since these options cost less than the amount we sold the previous options for, we were able to lock in profits by entering this new trade at a credit, not a debit, making it a risk-free setup using only profits from our earlier trade. And so when we analyze our trade now, you can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same September 19th options at the 35 strike call options. So we are just left with the 45 strike calls that expire January 16th. And so on the graph, where the profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss, you can see that if the stock goes down from where it is currently trading, our trade would not have any negative loss because we've locked in more profits than the cost of our new trade. And that is how we manage risk by minimizing losses. In this case, we eliminated any possible loss while still giving us the chance to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. But keep in mind, this no-loss strategy was only possible because we followed this wealthy investor early, back on this day when the stock bottomed out at its 52-week low, just before it made this remarkable reversal and hit a new high for this year. And so now we're holding a risk-free trade with no possible loss, all because we tracked and analyzed this unusual option activity of a smart, wealthy investor. So if you want to get access to our exclusive trade alerts, the kind that lead to real opportunities like this one on Las Vegas Sands, then sign up on our website. We'll put a link here. Because the next time a wealthy investor makes an unusual move, you want to be ready to get into trades early by following the data, not gambling on luck like you're in Las Vegas. As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.